Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have PowerLocus over-ear Bluetooth headphones and you need to do a hard reset on them. Now you might need to do this hard reset for a variety of reasons. If the headphones are not pairing with Bluetooth, or if they're not connecting to your devices, or if they keep disconnecting, or if you have any other issues like this where the headphones are not working and you need to troubleshoot the problem, this will fix a lot of these issues. This will also restore the factory default settings. So after you do this, you'll need to set them back up with whatever devices you want to use them on. But if you're okay with that, it's quite easy to do. All you need to do is find the power button on your headphones. Depending on the specific model, the power button is on a couple different spots. And you're just going to press and hold that button for 10 seconds. So press and hold the power button for 10 seconds, and when it's complete, you'll see the little LED indicator light on the headphones blink, which indicates that the reset is complete, at which point you can turn the headphones on and pair them again as a new device.